Hi, my name is Miranda, and this is my story, A Caterpillar's Adventure. It was a bright summer day and the sun was shining. A young caterpillar was eating leaves. There had been a storm last night, so he got a drink from the moisture left behind on a leaf. It was another average day in the meadow. Then a pretty insect with wings fluttered by. The caterpillar was amazed by its color. He wished he wasn't so boring, just a little caterpillar sitting on a milkweed eating away. But he did not know what he would turn into someday. Then one day something happened. He was not hungry at all. He was stuffed. He did not feel good at all. So he climbed off the milkweed to rest. He climbed slowly up a tree and hung on to the top branch. It was an easy process. Just then, a big round green thing curved around him. It was a chrysalis. The chrysalis was like a sleeping bag for his whole body and head. He would turn into a butterfly when it was wrapped around him. The chrysalis had a perfect border of dark green on it. The caterpillar began to fall fast asleep until he would turn into a butterfly. Then the caterpillar was awoken by a noise. Bang! Boom! Timber! A voice shouted. Timber was all over the meadow. The caterpillar realized that his own tree was being cut down. He had to move, but he still had 2 more days until he would come out of his chrysalis. The pretty butterfly he had seen days before had told him that if he ever needed anything, to make a special call. That's what he would do. He would make a call so loud that all the butterflies in the meadow would come. So he took a deep breath and yelled, "Help! Tra-la-la-la-la!" All the butterflies in the meadow came to save him. 3 butterflies carefully lifted the chrysalis. It was like flying. It was so fun. They took the caterpillar to a beautiful garden. 2 days later, the caterpillar cut a hole in the chrysalis and he was free. His wings were too moist to fly, so he had to let them dry. He was orange and black colored. He was called a monarch butterfly. He found out that his wingspan was about 4 inches long. He thought everything was wonderful. This garden was a very suitable place to live. He flew from milkweed to lilac bush and sipped nectar. It was very sweet and delicious. He loved flying from flower to flower and using his long tongue. He would grow to be a strong and powerful butterfly. He would help others someday just like they had helped him. The end.